What's going on, family? My name is Joe Brown, aka Black Phoenix, and I am your welding coach. And today we are in Union City, Georgia, family. This is our new location. We're about to get ready to start a independent private school here inside of this shop. So the brother that owns the shop, he do diesel work. He got a lot of different diesel trucks out here. They do logistics, and we're going to be partnering up with them and have our welding school in here. So this is actually the entrance of it, where people can be able to come in and get signed up when that time comes. Back there at the rear entrance is actually where the school is going to be at. So we're going to have our logo and our name and stuff at the rear door at the back. So this is where the program will actually be going on. But when you come in, this is actually just be when you walk in through the door to see the entrance, and you get to talk to the secretary and all that, because they got a few different things going on. So our goal is to get this off the ground coming soon. So the whole purpose behind this video is to let you know it is coming soon, family. It's coming soon. We are working on it. So we're putting everything in order now, so that way we can offer this program. Our goal is to have a 16-week program and an 8-week program getting started. So we want to have it around the clock. So we're going to be doing 8 to noon classes, 1 to 5 classes, and 6 to 10 classes from Monday through Thursday here in Union City. So our goal is to really help the economy, find out what the need is in the area when it comes to fabrication, when it comes to fitting, welding, stick welding, when it comes to construction, and also manufacturing when it comes to MIG welding and flux core. So we want to see what's going on in the city and be able to help with their need. But our goal is to catch people coming fresh out of high school, and also people coming out of prison that need an opportunity. And those who are going on unemployment right now, that's kind of looking for an opportunity and want to kind of create a career, we want to do something for them as well. So we're trying to kill several birds in one stone here. We're going to be networking here at the place, so we'll be able to build things and network with them as they work on different trucks and things, you know, making products and stuff. And then we also will be able to have a store in here too, where we'll be selling welding apparel. We're going to be having some different private classes, and we will be having some specialty classes. So if you're trying to learn a specific type of welding, aluminum, stainless, pipe welding, we're going to be able to have that as well. So our goal is to kill 7 birds in one stone, family, but we got to get started, and we're getting started now in Union City, Georgia, on 420. That's right, 420, family. And we actually created this so that way we could actually do this, and we didn't even have this in mind, but it is 420, so we're making history. So today, we're actually putting everything in stone. We already started to get some stuff ordered, family, and our goal is to start the school here, and we'll be bringing y'all more updates soon.